Hi guys, welcome to my channel, and today is just another unboxing video, and today I will be unboxing the Bath & Body Works products that I have ordered. And since I've been making a lot of unboxing videos, I just thought this is just another chance to make another unboxing video. So without further ado, let's just hop right into today's video, starting now. What I'm going to be unboxing, one, oh my gosh, and the other one with a key. So let's just get into it, because I am freaking excited to open this.
This is super nice packing and super easy to unpack.
I like that. Just so you know, we ordered lotions and shower gels, and my mom ordered something called an Eiffel Tower pocket back holder. I don't know what that is. We'll just see what it is, because even I don't know. I can already smell the goodness in this box here. Thumbnail. Oh, this is probably the pocket holder.
I don't even know what that is. Oh look, I can see the Eiffel Tower.
Ooh, if you know how this works, let me know in the comment section.
And then another product that I have is
Whoa! It's the...
Mary Cherry Cheer Shower Gel.
Oh my gosh, I can't wait to smell. If you guys haven't tried Bath & Body, I highly recommend trying, because their flavors are just amazing and they last so long. It's just so good. Ooh, it has that cherry smell to it, like a raspberry smell. It's a shower gel, so I need to probably wash it. Check this out. Alright, so it was getting dark outside, guys, and I just had to move places. Anyway, moving on to the video. Moving on to the products in the box number 2, we have we have the holographic in the stars body butter. It's a body cream. Oh my gosh, this is so good. It says that it's over 24 hours of moisturizer with shea butter and cocoa butter in it. Oh my gosh, I can't wait to smell this. I'm going to try my best to apply and then describe, because I'm just not able to describe. It smells like shea butter. Yeah. Look at that. And look at the fragrances if you want a screenshot. Yeah. Just can't get over this.
I think I'm going to be using it day and night. I probably might not have to.
The best part about Bath & Body Works is their fragrances stay. Like they stay for like a really long time. So if you like use their shower gels
and shower using them, they're here to stay.
Next we have the room sprays. So we have the pumpkin cupcake flavor. So strong, it smells just like pumpkin, trust me, and cupcake. So
If you can just imagine eating a pumpkin cupcake, that will do.
that will give you the flavor of this room spray. And then next we have the winter candy apple. It's a fragrance mist.
Something that I would spray before meditating, just to like get the good vibes coming in. Ooh.
Guys, there's been like a blend of all the perfumes. This actually is like super strong than you can expect it to be.
It's amazing for like stress relief and getting those good vibes in, getting those positive vibes in. And yeah, moving on.
Product number 4.
What do we have? Oh my gosh, just look at the packaging. I mean, I just want to appreciate them packed so well.
So here we have the Fiji Sunshine Guava Tinny body cream. This
Okay. So that.
Oh, the guava. It's just all over my nose right now.
It's so strong. It's like strong settle, you know what I mean? Like
It's like here to stay. Moving on to the next product, we have ooh, it's come out a little bit.
it is the peppermint. Of course it is peppermint. It's such a strong flavor.
Moving on to the next product,
We have what do we have? Oh, we have the Tiki Bay. We have the Tiki Bay Island Margarita body cream. Again, this is ultra shea. So the shea butter has got to be all over the place in this one, I'm sure.
my hands are so moisturized right now that these products are just falling off my hands. But yeah, these are the 2 new additions that Bath & Body has added to their website, the Indian website. The last product we have for the day, for the video.
We have, oh, this is ordered by my mom, that's for sure, because all I can see is coconut on this. Can you guys see the coconut on this?
Okay. The coconut palm, and you can never go wrong with coconut, right? So
I can already smell coconut, like too much coconut. And if you guys can tell, the moisturizer is like, has that coconutty kind of color.
yeah, coconut all the way. Okay, that's pretty much it guys for today's video. Please give me a big thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. Bye.
True, I was surprised when I found out I'd fallen for you.